I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie farm step by step. Start by selecting rich soil, level a raised bed, and plan 3. 5-inch spacing between hills, plant pumpkin seeds, add compost, and water deeply. Mulch to retain moisture, set up pollinator-friendly flowers, and install a trellis for compact varieties. Monitor for pests, thin seedlings to strongest plants, and follow regular watering, feeding, and gentle pruning for healthy pumpkins. Warm hands make cold soil friendly, so prep tools and beds before planting. Clear debris, test drainage, and loosen soil to create good root zones. Space hills mindfully, add compost to each hole, and set starter plants at soil level to avoid stem burial. Keep a watering schedule for even moisture, mix in a balanced fertilizer monthly, and scout for pests early to protect young vines and developing fruit. If you are enjoying these pumpkin pie farm tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I love for farm lunches. They are super handy between chores. I linked the product and some deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Be attentive but relaxed as vines grow and flowers open for pollination. Hand pollinate if bees are scarce to ensure fruit set, and prune only to remove damaged or crowded vines. Support heavy fruits by placing straw or boards under them to prevent rot, and rotate crops yearly to reduce disease pressure. Harvest when rinds harden and stems begin to brown for best flavor and storage life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.